Sarap matulog. Start survey. Sige. Are you having a nice day? Of course, ma'am. Guys. Do you have many responsibilities? Yes. 8:13 p.m. Uy, kaparehas. Look around for a moment. Yes. Ano bang Ano bang ito? Wait, Tapos ano? Are you familiar with your surroundings? Oh no! Mali! No! Do you know where you are? No, I don't. It's 8:14, yaram ko. Have you ever had a panic attack? No! Wala pa. Have you ever felt like there was somebody in your room? No. Pero meron ako, matutulog ako. Saradin mo lang natin ito kasi gabi na eh. No. Do you find yourself questioning your existence? Do you believe there is a God? Yes. Yes. Are you scared of the darkness? No. I ain't. Ang ingay. Are you answering this question for free will? Yes. Are you certain? Di ko alam kung certain pero no ko na lang. Have you ever had a dream that felt so real it was hard to distinguish it from reality? No, wala. No, wala. Do you have any phobias? Phobias, wala. Do you feel comfortable in your room? No. Ang dilim. If the light went out, will you be scared? No. Di yan nakatakot. Have you ever wondered when you will die? No! Wala. Hayain lang yan. Have you cleaned off your desk lately? Walang desk, pero no, I didn't. Open the folder on your desk. Paano na nalaman? No way! Yes! No way! Paano na nalaman, men? You're from Philippines. Tama. I'm from Philippines. Do you have internet access? Ano? Do you have any enemies? No. Wala akong kaaway. Are you playing on a mobile phone? Yes. Paano mo nalaman? Do you think often about that? No. If you suddenly went missing, would anybody come looking for you? Yes! Kasi may nakasunod na missing person. Are you alone? Nah, I'm not. May kasama ako dito. And it is God. You aren't alone. Did you check your room? Huh? No. I didn't check. Akala ko yung tutumbay. Do you believe we're living in a simulation? Yes. Do you accept being watched while answering our question? Do you accept being watched while answering? Yes, I'm not scared. Do you ever feel like you want to do something bad even though you know it's wrong? Yes, I do. If you screamed, will anybody hear? Bro! Ang bilis. Siyempre, yes. Are you scared of gunshots? Yes, of course. Do you know the person standing behind you? What do you mean behind you?
I know.
Wala ko ditong kasama ko lang dito.
We had this
That
conversation.
not
one
make
time.
me scared. No, okay?
I said goodbye to you. Not knowing
Relax.
when I'd
Take
see
some
you.
time to relax. Okay?
And I've
Hindi na
been
pa ako
doing this
relax.
for 12 years.
Okay?
This time is different.
Are you relaxed? Yes, I am.
This family believed.
Are your feelings real and not just are you
We suffered
are your
dissonance.
feelings real and not just programmed like a machine?
Do you know what the children and I went through? You have put
No.
me in an impossible position.
I mean, bro, did you think you
being their mother? It's
did you
something
think
else.
you could lie to us?
We
Did you
have
believe
had
you
life.
would know the truth?
So we will remortgage the house. I
Yes,
have pieces, and she will come.
Our survey is speaking only individually.
How come I do that?
Okay, don't worry, you still got 3 chances left. Okay, bro. From now on, if you keep on lying to us, hindi ko alam kung ano sinasabi nila eh. So be careful, do you understand? No. Mga joke lang, yes.
Jump, please, house.
Did you cry yesterday? No. I didn't cry. Have you seen the person standing in the window?
Yes, I understand. Do you mind?
No.
So, you
Is there a meaning to life?
want to know?
Yes. Have you ever felt like someone was watching you in your own home? No. Wala. Do you know who you are yet? Yes.
There's been a official complaint.
I know. I'm something. Do you know what is happening? No, I don't know. Bakit ako na dito? Malay na ako. Have you ever heard strange or unexplainable noises in your house at night? No. Wait lang. Have you ever experienced sleep paralysis? Of course, man! If you were told the truth about your existence, would you deny it in hopes for a better answer? Yes. Yes. Did you think you could lie to us? Did you believe we would?
And you think I have a choice?
Eh, ito na naman.
There is no choice. I'm going to
Kung anong kasi yung sinasabi niya eh.
his family out of the position as we put him in.
Gusto ko na matulog, men. From now on, if you keep on lying to us.
It didn't help me.
Bakit? Ano pang mangyayari?
So,
So be careful, do you understand? No. Well, Shinji.
I saved your life.
Yes? What will people think about you when they see what you have done? What will people think about you when they see what you have done?
The bastards. Papers.
Yes.
You just dating? Ano yun, no? Ano to? Eh? Eh?
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't miss you, John.
You know, wrecking you. Kiss me.
Hey, it's me! You go kayo magbukas. Huh? Oh, really, huh? What the? What is this? Yahoo, man! Yes, yeah.
He says he's telling the village to contact Zach, but he's like, no, contact you.
So, mga bro.
Hi, bro.
Yeah, what was it?
It's just me.